I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It is December 1st. We are off. We have a long month ahead of us. I genuinely cannot believe that we're here. How did this happen? It is just about 8:15 right now, and it is a Tuesday, so we have quite a bit of work ahead of us, but this vlog's gonna be a little different because I did pre-film decorating my place, so you guys are gonna see all of that. That's gonna be the majority of the vlog. I need to wash my hair today. It's not doing too great. So I'm thinking that I probably won't vlog too much during the day today because we have so many fun decorating clips to share with you. But I did think it would be fun to start off the first morning of Vlogmas with none other than a Starbucks holiday cup. Yay! Order it on the app, so it's ready to go when we get there. We don't have to spend too much time in the store. I always get my chai lattes iced, but I think we have to go with a warm one. Plus it's still a little chilly out. It's only 57 degrees right now. It's gonna warm up a little bit more during the day, but getting a nice warm cup also so that we can get the cute Starbucks cup definitely feels like the move. Place my order. All right, I'm gonna go throw some pants on and then we can head out to pick it up.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping.
We're being brave and taking the stairs. I regret it already. Aw, hi bestie. We made it home. We made it up many flights of stairs, although not without struggle. And we officially have our first Starbucks drink of Vlogmas. Starbucks is such a little pleasure for me, like just treating myself to it is always the best. All right, this is probably still really hot, but let's have a sip anyway. And then we need to get to work. It's not really hot. It's actually the perfect temperature. Oh yeah, that is good. Oh my gosh, delicious. Happy Tuesday, happy December 1st, happy Vlogmas Day 1. Let's get to it. Okay guys, it is a couple hours later. I have been hard at work while I can, always involved. But I think I'm gonna cut into the Christmas decorating now, so enjoy all of that and then I will see you later this evening. Welcome to the pre-filmed portion of this Vlogmas episode. Very exciting day. I am losing it. I am so excited, you guys, because today is decorating day. I've just been looking forward to this for so long, and the time has finally come.
Yeah, it's a big day.
It's a big day and I'm so excited. So we're about to start on the decorating process. And so naturally I had to put my Christmas jammies on. I'm wearing my Christmas merch from last year. Unfortunately, we're not doing Vlogmas merch this year. I did not get that together in time to make that happen, so sorry.
Maybe put a Christmas movie on for the thing.
Definitely put a Christmas movie on. Not even a question.
Jill's allowed for football to be on right now, but the Eagles let us down once again.
Once again, nothing new there,
so,
right? But first and most importantly, we have to make some spiked hot chocolate. It is tradition, it needs to happen, and so we're gonna do it. Guys, look, Santa is delivering our lunch right now. I love it. How festive. Got some water heating up on the stove here, and we're gonna try this new hot chocolate. It's from Coconut Cloud, and this is their vegan salted caramel hot cocoa. Sounds really good, so I'm excited to try that. And of course, the Baileys for spiking purposes.
So I'm offering this sample phrase.
If not, I have them all on DVD. Oh my god, this is about to overflow. Oh my god, it's happening. Oh my god, chocolate everywhere. Help! Oh my god. Really got away from me there.
What did you do?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I don't know how it happened.
All I wanted.
Well, the hot cocoa's ready. All right, let's put Baileys in. Hot cocoa for my hot cocoa. All right, spiked hot chocolate is done. Not without disaster though, but it's fine. It was resolved. Cheers.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas. Mmm, that is yummy.
Chocolate.
Chocolate and Bailey's is perfect.
It really is. It's too good.
Oh, it's hot, but it's yummy.
Oh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm. We're watching The Santa Claus, one of my all-time favorite Christmas movies. I'm so excited. Tim Allen, we were just talking about Tim Allen.
If you guys don't know the start of Tim Allen's career, I'd look into it. It's pretty interesting.
Especially considering he became like a pretty famous
America's
Disney
Dad.
actor.
Yeah.
Decorating is about to commence. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited for this.
Very pumped. Very, very
pumped.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
We got a lot of Christmas going on in here. Star for the top of the tree.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your
All right, we made some good progress on the Christmas tree. I think we're leaving it this for now, but I did order a ton of new stuff for it, so when that arrives, this will sort of be redone anyway. But it is looking very pretty. I'm so excited.
Although it's been said many times, many
Guys, look at how pretty Condor did such a good job. Killer job, baby. I love it. This is one of my favorite parts of my Christmas decorations. I just think it looks so pretty and Christmassy. I love it. Well, everything is officially done, you guys. Here's the tree. It's looking so pretty. We were having a little issue in the beginning because the top half of these lights wouldn't turn on. Like, this is a pre-lit Christmas tree, but I add my own lights too. I don't know if you guys can fully tell because obviously they're sort of bright. But anyway, this top half the lights wouldn't turn on. Like, they're just old, but they turned on, so it looks even better now. It's so bright. I am so excited to show you guys all of the new stuff that I got. I got a lot of new ornaments to put on my tree. I just wanted to switch up sort of the vibe this year. Actually, the vibe is still the same, but I don't know. What am I talking about? I hate the word vibe, even though I use it. Like, I don't know why that word just sort of irks me. When people are like, I don't know, the vibes were just off. I'm like, anyway. I got some new stuff for the tree. I'm so excited to show you all of that stuff when it arrives. And then over here, we have all of my little trees. For these, I light them up by putting some of my lights inside of them. You guys know I love having those lights back there. It just sort of lights up this area. We have the garland, some more trees over here, so nice. And then along the window, I have my snow globe, a couple candles. This is mostly, well, not all, but this is getting a little revamp when the new stuff comes. So I just sort of put this stuff here for now. But overall, I am so happy with how this all turned out. Okay, it's been a little while since I've checked in with you, although you have seen me of the past previously, right before this. Hope you enjoyed the decorating. Again, I did just want to pre-film that because I wanted to decorate, but I also really like doing that for my first day of Vlogmas, which is why I saved the footage. Here we are. I finished up work and then I hopped in the shower. What time is it? 6:37. So not too bad, and I put on the same Christmas pants I was wearing when I was decorating because it's Christmas, it's Vlogmas, it's only right. So I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare here. I'm breaking out a little, so I wanna zap those babies up as best as I can. I've been really lazy with my skincare recently, guys, like just not on top of it. So that is one of my goals during Vlogmas, is to get back on my skincare game. Another goal I have is to get back on my workout game. I totally abandoned working out for the past like 3 months at least. And I was on a really, really good kick. As you guys know, I was really doing it. And then, to be honest, I got a little depressed and self-care went out the window. What are you gonna do, right? But we're feeling better and I need to get back on track with that. So that is one of our goals. Hello, little miss. What are you doing down there? You just squishing your little corner? All right. Okay, that's good. So it's 6:30. I'm really not hungry yet, so I'm just going to go and relax for a little while, enjoy my beautiful Christmas living room. I'll check in with you guys maybe when I'm making dinner. A couple hours later, and the hair is ready to be braided. As you can see, it's feeling pretty dry. Just a little like not its best. Look at that though. That hair is like pretty damn grown out. I'm really excited about it. This top part, as we know, still has quite a bit to go. I'm gonna start with Olaplex number 6. This is my favorite from them. Good to get something in my hair to make it feel a little bit nicer. I've sort of discovered this new trick with braiding my hair that makes it come out really nice when I take it out of the braids, and secret is Shea Moisture Transitioning Milk, which is by far my favorite product that I've discovered in this journey. Whoa, that was a mistake. I did not mean to take that much product out of there. Hopefully that will go back in. Oh my god. But I do take a pretty generous amount, not to that generous, but pretty generous. It smells amazing. And I just rake this through all of my hair. Sort of so that my hair like feels sort of like sticky with product even. And it's like having this in there makes the curls set really well in the braids. Also, as you guys know, I've been working on my middle part down the back here. Not very good at this. Okay, that feels pretty okay. Oh yeah, look at that part, you guys. That looks pretty damn good, I think. Okay, we'll get a little bobby pin up over here just to tighten her up a little. All right, I think we're good to go there. Look at that, that's looking pretty damn good. We are getting better and better, you guys. All that matters. Life is about improvement, not about perfection. Time to make some dinner, and ramen is on the menu. Guys, it is so fun just walking out here and it's just Christmas. I can't tell you how much I love this. I also forgot, you guys, that I have this. Oh, it's like the only storage I have in my apartment, so stuff is just like piled up inside of here. Oh my god. Okay, got it. I have this Christmas pillow. Obviously, it has some lint on it, but this is definitely gonna go out. Let's lint roll it. All right, go. Cleaned up nice. This other side too. Maybe like that. Okay, there we go. All right, ramen is starting now. I just have a little bit of oil in here with some minced garlic and some chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's, which I recently started adding into my ramen, and it's actually so yummy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw my mushroom in with that. I want that all to cook up together. So I sort of feel like I don't know if I need to like re-explain things or if people know, because I do know that I'm on a new channel, so there might be some new people here who aren't as familiar with my vlog. So if you don't know, this is the best ramen that's ever existed. Wow. Hello? This is the best ramen that's ever existed. I will try to remember to link it down below for you guys. It just makes everything taste amazing. It tastes like it's straight from a restaurant, except you can make it in literally like 10 minutes at home. Okay, 2 cups of water going in. Just gonna let that start to come to a boil. This light here is bugging me. There we go, that'll be better. So the great part about this ramen is that really like water does the trick with the seasoning packet that's in this. You don't need broth, although you can cook it with broth too, and that would also be really yummy. But this is already coming up to a boil here, so I'm gonna throw our ramen noodles in. Set a 2-minute timer. Bell peppers going in as well.
Now.
And I'm gonna throw in some soy sauce because it makes it really yummy and like umami flavored. Just want a little bit of that umami in there. And I think I am gonna add a tiny bit of half and half. Only a little, make it a little creamy, but obviously it's not very good for you, so I don't want to add too much of it, but I do like the creaminess it adds. I don't add that every time, but I do happen to have it in the fridge when my parents were here, and so I want to use it up, and this is really the only thing that I would use it for. Also, wow, I love seeing that in the background. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm so happy, I love it. So it also comes with 2 packets. One is a garlic oil. This is what takes it to another level. By far, this is like the magic, but their seasoning packet is really insanely delicious as well. that in there. This is looking so yummy, you guys. In my opinion, like this step here, having this ingredient is what makes it taste like it's from a restaurant. And I'm sure you could probably just buy like black garlic oil, like maybe at an Asian market or on Amazon, or I don't really know. Man, does this make everything good. In we go, you guys. Check that out. Like, hi, beautiful. It'd be so good. We're diving in for some Friday Night Lights before bed. Honestly, already tired, so just an episode or two. And I'm on the last season, so we're almost done binging this, which will be very sad. And I am beyond excited to eat this. Yay. Alrighty, it is about 10:45 and I just climbed into bed here. Oh, I forgot I wanted to put a little zip patch on. I'm gonna do that. But figured I would end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 1. I can't believe that we're here. It's just, it really is so crazy. Alrighty guys, love you and I will see you tomorrow.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all